Website design. Custom website. Ready to elevate your online presence with a website built exclusively for your needs? Strategic Connections Custom Website Package is designed to provide a personalized and interactive experience for your users, going beyond the limitations of standard template-based designs. Our custom websites feature dynamic pages that respond to user requests, tailoring content to their preferences and actions. A custom website may also feature employee or customer portals, dashboards, and other cutting-edge features that are relevant to your business. Whether you're looking for advanced functionality or a unique layout, our expert team is here to bring your vision to life. We start by understanding your goals and mapping out a strategy to ensure your website meets your business needs. Our designers will then create a unique layout that captures your brand's personality and ensures a seamless user experience. We'll craft all the content for your website, ensuring it communicates your message effectively. Our developers will design a robust database to support the dynamic functionality of your website. Your website will undergo rigorous testing to ensure flawless performance. We'll make adjustments as needed to guarantee everything is perfect for launch. To give you a competitive edge, we'll optimize your website to help it rank higher in search engines and attract the right audience. With up to 5 dynamic pages, your custom site will be built with WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or Shopify. In addition to HTML, CSS, PHP, and jQuery, the custom website package delivers a powerful, user-focused website tailored to your brand's unique needs. Contact your Strategic Connection representative today, and let's create a website that's as dynamic as your business.